Welcome back to another video. We finally got the PTFS newest update. So right now, as you can see, we actually have a new home tab. Look at this. Isn't it cool? Like, this is sick. What is exactly sick? Look at this. Huh. I think we're just gonna go right here to Rockford. Oh my god, it's actually sick. So first I'm gonna show you the LO01 tree star. Then we'll use the LO01 to fly to Melor. Then here I'll show you the, what do you call this? Oh yeah, the B1 Lancer. The B1 Lancer is really cool. So is the LO01. I don't know, it's super cool. So let's check it out. Neat. Okay, so we have this. This is the new aircraft menu. It's called the airliner. So you can see this thing is really cool. Then we have this. Let's choose the letters. Why not Delta? Alright, we got our Delta LOO L1 001 yeah, I guess. Oh, it's L1. Oh, it's L1011 tree star. Okay. Okay. Let's just fly. Hold on. Let's fly straight away to Balora. But I kind of want a taxi. This is not gonna be that. Ooh, almost dropped it. Anyway, this is not gonna be a long trip since GR and Mill are on the same island. So yeah, it's kind of like how RBA sometimes uses 787 to go from Unite to Kota Kinabalu. Yes, they actually use 787. Sorry. Yeah, Bruneians would be surprised. Most people, very surprised. Alright, we're going the wrong way. Let's go. I hope people don't think I'm gonna recreate Delta 191 again. Yeah, again? No, I never did that. I hope they don't think I'm gonna recreate it though. Hang on. 4184. No way. I'm pretty sure that's a Delta crash. No way, it's a Delta crash. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, let's just get on. Oh god. Oh well, let's just get to the runway already. A lot of people use the L011 star. No, L1011 star. A lot of people use the L1011 star. Yeah, pretty good. So this is basically the DC-10. It's like if the DC-10 and the 727 had a baby, it would be doing great. Oh, there's someone on the runway. I have to wait behind them. Hurry up, man! Hello? I'm recording a video here. Thank you. Oh, good. Great, there's another one. Wow, it's a Concorde. Alright, let's just line up. Oh, and we can take off now. I think I'm just gonna use 75% trust because this is not that far. This plane is sick. Come on, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Okay, there we go. We're in the sky now. Lower the throttle down. I think I have to keep the gear down. Land speed, land speed. Okay. Okay, land speed, okay. Okay. No, go back. Hold on, I gotta use the map. Okay, I'm pretty sure Mellar is this way. Yes, Mellar is this way. Okay, but bro, look at the map now. They actually show planes instead of just random arrows. Nice. Good touch. Alright, let's go. Losing altitude. Oh god, I think we're gonna hit a mountain. Full speed. Okay. Oh, that was scary. Alright, let's just keep pulling up. We're going to more. I think y'all would want me to cut this, so. Or I'll just show the entire thing. Oh god, 6 minutes. So I gotta speed up. Oh god, we're speeding up. We're speeding up way too fast. Hold on. Loading altitude. Oh, no. Oh shit. We're gonna hit him. No. Back left. Okay. That was a bit scary. Oh god, that was scary. Oh god, that was a Alright, we've regained control. Hold on, I think we're a bit low. Never mind. Not that low. I think we can do this. Why does my screen always keep showing white stuff, bro? I just want to see the ground. Alright, let's just keep going. Oh god, I was already in 7 minutes. Oh well, I gotta show you the... Hold on. I gotta show you the B1 Lancer 2. But I haven't verified my account yet, so... Oh god, it's gonna take a while. I'll just skip. See ya. I've unpaused it so that I can show you... So that I can show you the landing. I think we need to go around. No, I got this. I've had to go around before. Without going around. That was close. Go on a specific angle. No. Oh! Did I just swear? Oh god, I swear unintentionally. No, I'm gonna get demonetized. Oh well, I'll just walk out the gate first. Alright, it's parked. I totally did not run over any grass. No grass was harmed in this video. Alright, now I'm gonna show you the V1 Lancer model. We're running out of time, so we gotta make this quick. Hurry up. No, not helicopters. Hurry up. Let's see which one's it. Military. B1 Lancer. Boom! Here is the B1 Lancers. So we're gonna just this thing on the ground first. We'll just get on. There's some cool things you can use with this. You can unfold the wings, kind of like the F-14. Then we can fold the wings. Even have sweep. It's called sweep. Oh well. There's other stuff there in here. like flares, so I'm gonna show you that. It works mostly like a normal plane. Except it's not. Alright, I'm a bit. Okay, we're running out of time, so we gotta hurry up real quick. Screw the runway. Yeah? Hold on. Hi, sorry about that, y'all. My mom just called me. Oh, well, let's keep going. Let's make this quick since I don't have one. You have to flash on this thing, though. Oh. Ew, bro, what I do? Oh, God, I think we killed something. Oh, well, let's go get the flares. Oh, there it goes. Those flares. Yay! So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And now we are